Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Nagar, Bhayandar East. Our today's assignment number 4. Topic: rewrite the correct form of verbs. Students, verb is called as the soul of sentence. Verb is called as the soul of sentence because if we remove the verb from the sentence, sentence is meaningless. That's why it is called the soul of sentence. And you know the importance of verb. If we remove the verb, sentence is meaningless. And also the right form of this verb is also, because we know that verb has a 4 form only: V1 form, V2 form, V3 form and V4 form. Instead of this 4 form we are using the different 12 types of sentence. So where and how to use the correct form of verb, so it depends on that particular helping verbs. It depends on the helping verb of that particular tense. With the help of helping verb, we are using the appropriate verb or verb form in that sentence. So the knowledge of the sentence is required to formulate the sentence correctly. Proper use of tense as per the particular time of the action and event play the vital role in formation of the sentence or correct sentences. Therefore, it is required to practice the correct form of the verb as per the context, software-based practice, and courageousness and encourage the maximum learning experience related to the correct uses of tense. This learning experience will help the student to develop the competency of communication in English or in a spoken as well as the written form. Relevant program outcome, basic knowledge, individual teamwork and good communication skill. Formal grammatically correct sentences. Rewrite a sentence using the relevant form of verbs. Practical skill. Use computer system, include the language lab software. Develop the learning, speaking, reading and writing. Relevant affective domain related outcome. Follow the safety practice while handling language labs equipments. Demonstrate self-learning. Minimum theoretical background. So students, we know that for completing this assignment, we need some minimum theoretical background. The basic knowledge of verbs, regular or irregular verbs, as well as the various form of verbs also required to learn or apply the tense of in a professional as well as the social communication. Subject plus verb plus object agreement structure of the tense should be know the student. Also the different types of structure in different types of sentences also there we must know that. Language lab setup. Language lab with the relevant software opening the relevant source. Procedure. Opening like laboratories. Log in your account. Read instruction carefully. Select exercise on tense. Listen the feedback, correct form of the verbs. Listen the feedback of softwares. Then repeat the 4 or 7 time sentences. Okay, write 20 sentence minimum. So this is the procedure of completing sentence. So students, we know that verb has only one form: V1 form, V2 form, V3 form and V4 form. But this 4 form we are using the different 12 types of sentences or tenses. There is basically 3 times, that is present, past and future, and every tense has a 4 aspects or manner, that is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. These 4 aspects are used in every tense, means 3 tense into 4 aspects, that is 12 tenses. But we have only 4 verbs, so such 4 verbs we are using in different 12 types of tense with the help of the helping verb used in that respective tense. If you know using the helping tense or proper tense, you must know first of all the correct form of the verb as well as the respective helping verb of that particular tense. Mean helping verb plus main verb. So here are some exercise given. We have to solve it. When you arrive tonight, we go out for dinner. So go to arrive tonight means present aspect is yours. That's why go is there. So there is we go out for dinner. Simple present tense is there. Whenever we meet, we plan a trip. Whenever we meet, okay, means simple aspect, future aspect is given whenever we meet. Okay, simple aspect is given, means simple present tense is given. That's why we use plan as it is, means simple present tense or trip there. The sun shines brightly. Sun shines. Okay, so universal truth. That's why we put in a simple present tense. Sun shines. Vijay, wait for me when I arrive. Wait for me when I arrived. It is past aspect is given. Obviously, he was arrived. It is a past tense. So that's why the previous action it is in a continuous past. That is past was waiting. I was waiting. Vijay was waiting for me when I arrived. I promise I will not tell him about the surprise party. I promise. Okay, simple present tense there. On party, which will be happen after some time, that's why the future aspect is given. So simple future tense will not tell him. Shikhar Dhawan score century in last match. Last match means action is totally over. But the simple past tense. Shikhar Dhawan scored a century in last match. I get hungry. Let's go and have something to eat. Okay, means go and have something to eat. Means present aspect is given, but that's why I am getting hungry. Continuous aspect is there. Simple present continuous there. I am getting hungry. Who invent bicycle? Already it is invented. It's the many years over. So invented. Simple past tense is there. Yesterday evening the phone does just ring 3 times while we have a dinner. Yesterday evening the phone rang 3 times while we were having dinner. When I met you last time, you think of moving a new flat. Made simple past tense there, and think, that is process of thinking. It is continuous process. That's why we are thinking. Okay, past continuous tense. Next, she only understood the movie because she read the book. She understood, simple past tense is there. Okay, simple past tense is there of watching movie. May understood the movie. Okay, but before it, she already read the book. Means the reading of book, such action is already over. Means it is in a past perfect tense. May had read the book. She had understood the movie because she had read the book. Dash, have you ever visit the USA before trip in 2006? So have you visited? Present perfect tense. Can you help me to move this heavy table? Help. We know that is a future aspect, but one thing you should keep in your mind: if will, would, can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, need, dare, ought to, or do, does, did, such kinds of helping verb is there. So after it, always verb into first form is used. Verb into first form is used. So it's the simple future tense. So can plus V1, that is a can, means help. Can you help me to move this heavy table? Hello. Next one. Hello Nitya, I did not see you for ages. How are you? Okay. Means hello Nitya, I haven't seen you. Okay, how are you? Means here, because here, how are you? It is the present aspect. That's why it is simple present. That's why we use here haven't seen, because present perfect tense is there. We can go out now. We can go out now. It does not rain anymore. We can go out now. Okay. Means future, simple future tense is there. And that's why it is simple future tense. That's why it is so another part also we put in a simple future tense. It won't rain anymore. He does go that place every year. Every year means habitual thing indicate, and habitual thing we always put in a simple present tense. He goes that place every year. He goes that place every year. Okay. I just notice how important it does be to speak English nowadays. Okay. Notice. I already understood that. So that's why noticed. Simple past tense is used there. Be means it's the base form of the word. That is is. Okay, is to speak English nowadays. There I noticed how important it to speak nowadays. And that already to read the novel. I already began the novel. I have already begun to read the novel, and I have already begun to read the novel. If dash I pass my exam, I successfully start an apprenticeship. It is if clause. We know that in if clause, will is there, so we put simple present tense there, so will is there. Simple past is there, so we put would plus V1. So if I pass my exam successfully, I will start an apprenticeship in September. If clause is there, so simple present tense and simple future tense is there. While I do the language course, I just meet a lot of younger people from all over the world. Okay. While I am doing, I am because subject is I, that's why we put I. If subject is his, we put is. If plural subject there, we put are. While I am doing language course, I will meet a lot of people from all over the world. First part of the sentence is present simple, that's why simple future tense is used there, because future aspect is indicating by the sentence. So student, these are the tense or relevant form of the verb we use in the sentence as per the aspect and manner of that particular sentence or requirement of the sentence pattern. So if you prepare the tense, that is means verb and helping verb of that particular tense, so it is easy to you to using or identifying the verb in at the appropriate place. Means you very well understood the tense, then you do not have any kinds of problem to using grammar or constructing sentences or writing sentences or communicating different types of sentences in anywhere in your life. So I hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you very much.